open the PressReader app. Tap on Sign In. Tap on Libraries and Groups. Tap on Allow or Don't allow PressReader to use your location. Start typing West Sussex Libraries. Select West Sussex Libraries from the list. Type in your library card number and PIN. Tap on Sign In. Now you need to create a PressReader account. Type in your email address and create a password. Type in your first name and last name. Tap on Done. You can now search for publications. For example, type in West Sussex Gazette. If Read with Premium appears, you need to enable HotSpots. Tap on the back arrow to go back to the home page. Tap on More, then Settings, then Hotspots. Then tap on the toggle button next to Enable Hotspots so that it becomes green. Tap on the back arrow to go back to the home page and search for the publication you want to read. You can now read your newspapers. You can download the PressReader app from the Play Store or the App Store.